I'd like to show you how to change a blade in an LMC hinge slicer. First thing you have to do is tilt the hinge slicer up, move the hinge slicer switch up position. And you can see that on top of each spindle is a locking cap. What you have to do is push in on this spring-loaded lock right there. You take a spindle, come around from underneath, stick it in the bottom of the spindle until you can see the top of the shaft come through the locking cap, and then release it. Push in on this locking cap, rotate the spindle shaft until it pops through, and then slowly lower it until you release the locking cap and the blade is secure.